If you haven't done so, please hit that subscribe button. Hey everyone, welcome to Dancing with Dina. Today I'm going to show you how to do the sugar foot. I also call it toe heel stomp because that's what you do with your feet. So let me go ahead and show you how to do it. So weight on your left. This is called sugar foot. It is toe to the side, heel to the front, and stomp. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. On your right, sugar foot to your left. Looks like this. Toe to the side, heel to the front, stomp that left foot. Let's do that by the count. Weight on your right. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. So this is where I get the name toe heel stomp, toe heel stomp. So let's do 4 in a row. Right, left, right, left. Let's do it by the count. Weight on your left. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2, 3 and 4, 5 and 6, 7 and 8.